Hi everyone, this is Dora from Botanalytics team. As you know, we have recently announced our latest integration with BLiP. BLiP is a platform to build and promote an efficient chatbot, and today I'm going to show you how to do the integration with Botanalytics. First, you gotta log into your BLiP bot accounts, and then after you've created your chatbot, you gotta select the bot that you want to integrate with Botanalytics. And after that, you gotta select integrations from up right here. And then Botanalytics will show up and you gotta select connects. From here, you can actually also click to documentation and find the screenshots to do how to do the integration. But to actually activating the integration, we gotta select configurations. And this will ask us a bot API key, which will retrieve it from Botanalytics account. And after we log into our Botanalytics accounts, there will be a section to add a new bot. We gotta click it. And then let's name our new bot, which is new BLiP bot. You can name your bot whatever you want. And then we gotta select the platform, which is BLiP. And then we need to select a category which the bot is working on. Let's assume that this bot is working on analytics. And then we can also add the bot URL or bot image URL, but it's not necessary. So let's just click Save Bots. And this will give us your token, which we can copy and then paste it here as bot API key. And after that, we gotta save it. Now it's actually integrated. After we click here, the activate button, it will be activated. And as we perform some interaction with your bots, we need to go to the Botanalytics panel and then see the results. You can always shoot us an email and ask questions from hello@botanalytics.co. Have a good day.